Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Is my this thing getting like higher and higher my pitch? Channel. This is lipstick. I always have lipstick on my teeth, but anyway, I haven't done my eyes, so that might look weird, and I haven't done my hair. The reason I haven't done it is because we are doing another photo shoot video. Is my focus? So you guys might have seen these videos that I do on my channel, which are the different photo shoot challenge type videos. Here's a few videos that I've made with the photo shoot thing. I've done the ugly location, one location, extra glam, the gown wala. Today we are doing something like quarantine related when you're at home, and I'm also gonna turn it into a challenge. So I have made chits of props that we have to use in this challenge. So the makeup, the hair, the outfits are completely our choice, but the photo that we click, the prop has to be involved in that picture. So me, Khushi, Shloka, Dingy and Isha are going to do the challenge, and they're just doing their makeup, and once they're done then we're going to pick our chits, and then we're going to click the picture. My only thing is that we need sunlight for the pictures, but my house doesn't have direct sunlight. We just have little daylight that enters, but ekdam harsh wala sunlight wo nahi aata. But yeah, let's get onto the video. Let's meet up with the sisters. Come on, sisters. Sounds like a James Charles thing. Sorry. So everybody's here. I've got the chits, and I'm going to pick up now one chit, guys. Whichever you want. I'm picking this. Give me that. Okay, now let's open our chit and read out the props that we've got.
Fabrics.
I got CD.
I got CD, kitchen utensils.
You want
I
CD?
got mirror. No, it's okay.
So I've got CD. You've got mirror, fabric, and so the basic idea is that I have to use a CD. Like I remember Shloka did this for her college school. I was going to say college project. So she's going to do that. Khushi's going to get ready. Go na fast then. She's hiding behind Isha. Isha's going to use fabrics. So matlab you have to use it as a backdrop, or you can wear it or carry it as a prop or whatever. And you have to use mirror. Okay. So mirror has to be in your photo, or you have to click that photo through the mirror. Yeah, whatever. It has to be a prop. What did Khushi get? Kitchen utensil.
Yeah.
So Khushi has to create something with a kitchen prop. Like she can use any colored plate that she finds, or any cutlery, or she can use any chhanni type thing also. And you can select some fabrics, like colorful fabrics. Isha's here. Shit, that whole part is a mess. Okay, so Isha has got her fabric thing sorted, and she's got her purple eyeshadow. So you're wearing?
I am wearing a white shirt and blue jeans, like basic bell-bottom jeans, and I have done purple eyes, as you can see.
Yes.
Mixture of with this palette, amethyst palette from Huda.
We've got a couple of fabrics, thanks to Paki. Purple. I feel like this goes.
Okay.
For Isha, what we are doing is we are going to tie these three cloths at the end together and then spread them out like that, so she has a bunch of colors for her backdrop. Woohoo! She's dressed up in pink, and mirror is her prop, so she's gonna add flowers to that. Okay, now it's Shloka's turn, and she's going for this mirror, which is here. Hi.
Yeah, we'll try this mirror.
He actually has a
It's coming
photo
so
aega,
good.
see?
And this white background is actually adding.
See? ऐसा somebody holds na, ऐसा हाथ से. Wow. Let's go.
Now I love
Makeup.
mirror.
Yeah, she chose this pink pastel top,
Phone
and
you are taking,
this is nice. Yeah, phone photos. So Khushi's the photographer for Shloka. But wow.
You look through over there, say there.
If you don't have a mirror like this, you can also use a hand mirror, guys. Hand mirrors, my photos are very insane. You can also use your makeup mirrors, छोटा वाला. का जब भी मैट का ही नेल पॉलिश अभी तक लगा हुआ है.
Sina.
गीत कैरेक्टर. Chor. Leo. So Shloka's got her shot from the inside wala mirror. Now we're trying some on this mirror as well. Khushi's wearing jeans after 1 month. So I think Dingy ka we've got. Are you happy with your shot?
Yes, very.
Whee! So done. Now next. Whoa. She's become full Vogue. Arre. Oh, sorry. And Leo has taken bath today. This is how we've kept it ऊपर. Hold हो रहा है ऊपर ऐसा. And ये अभी ऐसा दिखेगा नीचे से.
Not for heels. क्या अजीब लग रहा है.
Oh, photographer is here. I think take close-ups मतलब इतना also. Where it's focused on your white shirt and makeup and the 3 colors. I actually haven't gotten properly ready because I'm going live from the Dam Farm channel. If you were there on the live, true connection. Hello, are you okay?
The colors to move. I know.
So Isha is done with her part. She's crying.
Not crying. अरे
Leo, go bite.
अरे don't that. पागल.
I told Leo to bite and he
I
started
know him.
running behind Dingy and he started crying.
I'm not crying.
I'm sorry, Dingy.
एक मिनट.
Sorry, break time over. Chal Khushi, let's go. It's our turn now. We are also gonna use this light. I have this and it has like all these colors.
So perfect.
Like if you take a side half face type photo, उसमें अच्छा आ रहा है. So trial is done. Let's set up on this. I think this white wall. So forgot to show you all. This is the light. We are trying blue light. Model is here. This is how the chunni looks. Show Dingy chunni wala. अरे उधर मेरे पे नहीं. Oh shit! What is this shadow पीछे you've created? See this Paki? And side से give. हाँ. ताकि वो shadow नहीं आना चाहिए पीछे. Also we've got this patila जो create करता है shadow. Then we've got this spoon. This chunni, and these are also common spoons. I wanna try with this. Dingy, इस पे see how it looks.
ये अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ ना. This circle वाला. See
This
circle.
is too big. That is better. Normally.
पतीला show.
Patila is better.
See ऐसा पतीला. Oh.
मैं एक सजेशन दूं क्या? इसको उसके वहाँ पे रखो ना, अगर होता है तो. This utensil can you keep there on that? Actually this is looking so good इधर से यार.
It's finally time for me to shoot. This is the crop top I have chosen because I'm doing the CD thing and I wanted to like reflect on the clothes as well, and it's only going to reflect on white. So now I am using this palette, the Huda Beauty Nude palette, to put glitter. Now I want to see what glitter I can put. Okay, so I'm going for the shade Daydream. I'm just gonna take a bit of it on my finger and just apply it on my eye. What the hell? Okay, on camera it just looks like one color, but it's actually got multiple colors in it. It's got specks of pink and gold and green. Okay, last step is mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation. I got asked this a bunch of times, so this is the mascara I use. Okay, so now we are in Khushi's room because she's got this headboard, silver types. So I have got this one pillow, which I'm going to take some Essa shots on. And and we're getting the CD, so my production is sort of slow, you know, like I have Shloka on my team, so then of course, what do you expect? Hurry up!
Yes.
And lights off. Flash on.
Wait.
Where's the team? Yes.
I'm here.
Shloka did this for her school. Why am I saying school again and again?
School.
Like her college project, and she thinks she's a pro now. So let's do it.
There's nothing pro in that. You just have to hold.
I'm gonna keep the camera here. Okay, let's go. Guys, I'm really very hungry. Let's go.
fast.
Dingy, sit properly, yaar. People are watching us.
I am the
Okay, ठीक है,
papa of
चल.
the family.
Now
And
it's
the
time for the
yeah.
pictures, guys. Finally, we're going to get to see everybody's mehnat. Now, ready? Screen पे आ जाएगा photo. That's my magic of editing. So you show us. Wow. Very nice.
Nice?
Yeah. I really
Oh,
like this close up.
You like the
Because उसमें background का इतना fault
Yeah.
नहीं दिख रहा ना, वो अच्छा लग रहा है बहुत. Wow. Really like it.
I wish I could show you all my pictures.
But I told her favorites some and keep. She's like, okay, ठीक है. There were 15 favorites only. Pagal. Okay, now time for Shloka's picture. Woo!
Don't judge my editing, okay? Because they edit my pictures for me and I couldn't show it to them. So.
अरे यार ऐसा थोड़ी यार डिग्गी. They are not gonna judge यार. What was your vibe for your photos? Melancholic.
Melancholic, yeah.
She wanted me to mention this, that this is the vibe of her pictures.
It was actually cover up because I looked very sad in all the pictures. So
She googled the pronunciation also for that, and it also means a little like sad and depressing, which is her life basically.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, because
show the photo, yeah, dingy. Chal.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Woo!
Nice.
Wow, love the hand. There was my hand. These are so nice, yaar. See, these are very nice. Good job, guys.
Next was Khushi. She was the last one.
I'm gonna faint. Yeah, surprisingly, like mine took a lot of time. These people click like aisa. Okay, it's time for Khushi's pictures.
Oh my God. I'm sorry, guys, but my
personal
favorite. Like this
Yeah,
is the picture.
this is so nice, yaar. Guys, with a simple chhanni, like chai peete hi, side में photo निकाल. It's so easy.
You look like a snake.
Don't
It's
make
like
those
a
comments. I
snake.
don't like reptiles.
Okay, the second one is
This is oh my god, wow.
I like the first
so
one.
dreamy.
She's like, wow. I like the first one more. Nice, amazing.
Too
I
good,
really
too
like
good,
it.
too good.
The pink one was it? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
They were all there for my
Yeah,
pictures.
nice.
So,
It's good, yeah.
It's very nicely edited.
see next. Yeah,
Who's
I like
so
this.
perfectly throwing light on your face? Yeah.
And last,
Wow.
I like this. है ना?
This is more.
Yeah.
This is my favorite.
Same to me. Okay, so you've seen all of these, and hopefully they've given you inspiration to घर बैठे बैठे click amazing photographs. And if you do try any of these, please send them to me. I would love to see them. I think we're going to end the video here because we all are very, very hungry. Mummy is making pasta and cake, so we're all dying. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to these people who woke up earlier than their usual timing for me and for this video. Also, little update. I have stopped having coffee. From my last video ka update, I'm having black coffee. So milk band ho chuka hai. Good job, Ashna.
Coffee. That's why I just looked at you.
Sorry, not coffee. I mean, I'm having coffee, but not milk. I
Yeah.
wanted to stop having milk, which I have. Proof. Yes. Thank you.
So you're gonna have black coffee every day.
Yeah. Ice डाल के black coffee, not garam.
इसमें कितना अच्छा लगता है यार face and skin on this.
Yeah, actually.
I have noticed that this thing has a filter.
Notice
थोड़ा
क्या?
color correction है उसमें.
Yeah.
Guess I'm just a plating.
Okay, guys. चुप रहे यार. The shoutouts for today go to Maria Ansari and Shivani Petkar. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys. If you want to shout out in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment on this video telling me that you have. See you again next time. Bye.
Bye.